Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Docker Compose for local Kafka and Postgres step by step clearly. Open your terminal or command line interface. Ensure you have Docker installed on your machine. Verify the installation by running the command docker version. Next, check if Docker Compose is installed by running Docker Compose version. If you do not have Docker Compose, follow the installation instructions from the Docker documentation. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate into that directory using the command cd your directory name. Create a new file named dockercompose.yml. Open the dockercompose.yml file in your preferred text editor. Begin by defining the version of the Compose file format. Specify the services you want to run, Kafka and Postgres. For Postgres, define the service name as db. Set the image to Postgres latest. Configure the environment variables for Postgres, including Postgres_user and Postgres_password. Expose the default Postgres port 5432. Next, define the Kafka service. Set the service name as Kafka. Use the official Kafka image, such as Wurstmeister/Kafka. Link Kafka to the Postgres service using the environment variable Kafka_advertised_listeners. Set the environment variables for Kafka, including Kafka_zookeeper and Kafka_listener_security_protocol_map. Ensure you expose Kafka's default port 9092. Save the changes to the dockercompose.yml file. Return to your terminal window. Run the command docker compose upd to start the services in detached mode. Use docker compose ps to verify that both Kafka and Postgres are running. If you experience any issues, check the logs using docker compose logs. To stop the services, run docker compose down. Your local Kafka and Postgres setup is now complete and ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.